Hey, welcome to my channel Technologies in Industry 4.0. Today, in this video, we will discuss about Gatsby, how Gatsby works. So, let's start the video.
How Gatsby works. Introduction. Gatsby is a static site generator and web apps. It is a React-based open-source framework. As we must know about how Gatsby works, it is quite appropriate if we are building portfolio sites, blogs, company home pages. Below are two modes in Gatsby which are being used for compiling a site. Develop. In develop mode, we run with the Gatsby develop command. Build. In build mode, we run with Gatsby build. Gatsby enables developers to speedy fetch and renders content from nearly any content or data source. We can build sites with Gatsby. A single stack. No matter where our content lives. This allows us to take advantage of the rich content workflows of our CMS. Therefore, it would not be locked into a CMS-specific development ecosystem. Fail to remember code freezes. Gatsby decouples content and data alteration from the development workflow. In this post, we'll explain how Gatsby's lifecycle works and what the Gatsby particular files are for. Description. Gatsby pulls data from sources we give and generates a website or app for us. It needs Node to be installed to run the bootstrap and build sequences. Gatsby utilizes Webpack to build and start a development server amongst other things under the hood. Gatsby has three phases: gathering data sources, building, deploying. Gathering phase. In this stage, it would gather the data from sources. The sources are databases /XML files /CSV /text files /JSON /WordPress or anything. Building phase. Once data is gathered, then we may access it from source code with the help of GraphQL. We may not mutate the existing data. Deploying phase. We can build the app after the development. We may host that build files in any static web host sites like Amazon S3, Netlify, GitHub Pages, Now, SH, and many more. Gatsby's lifecycle. The below three sequences make up the Gatsby lifecycle: bootstrap, build, browser. Main features. Supports React Js. Gatsby supports React Js that would help us to build reusable components and make things easier to control. Webpack. This will help to create minified and optimized bundles. SCSS and CSS in JS. Gatsby has support for SCSS, CSS in JavaScript libraries, allowing us to manage styles better. Responsive images. Resizing images consisted of devices. More than 600 Gatsby plugins. There are many Gatsby plugins available for data sources /responsive images /offline support /MDX and analytics, etc. Supports React and NPM packages. We may install any NPM package and can use it in the app. GraphQL. Gatsby gathers data from data sources and makes it available through GraphQL. The data sources could be anything: databases /JSON /XML /WordPress or text files, etc. Gives a smoother experience to the user. It would add smoothness to the app with its features and aims at full app-like experience, borrowing from PWA. Gatsby specific files. GatsbyConfig.js. A place to put all the site configurations, for example, plugins, metadata, and polyfills. This file is the blueprint of our application. GatsbyConfig.js is the initial file to be read and validated when we run $Gatsby develop or $Gatsby build. GatsbyNode.js. Gatsby runs a node process when we develop or build the website. It uses Webpack under the hood to spin up a development server with hot reloading. Gatsby would load plugins during the node process. It will analyze the cache, bootstrap the website, and build the data schema. It would similarly create pages and deal with different configurations and data management. Everything that happens during the bootstrap and build sequences observes in the Gatsby node.js. It's the right place to create pages dynamically consisting of data from a source plugin. Gatsby Ssr Js. Thinking about server-side rendering means we think of a server that takes in requests. That dynamically builds pages and sends them to the client. Gatsby doesn't execute that, though it performs on server-side render. It creates all the pages during build time. Gatsby Ssr Js enables developers to hook into that lifecycle. Most use cases belong to injecting CSS, HTML, or Redux state information into the created output. Gatsby Browser Js. Gatsby, being a static site, loads a dynamic application after the first load. That means we get the advantages of a static site in a web application. Gatsby Browser Js gives convenient hooks to deal with app loading. It also provides root updates, service worker updates, scroll positioning, and many more. Each thing, which happens after the static site has loaded, may be hooked in Gatsby Browser Js. Getting started with Gatsby. Prerequisites. Nodages. Download it from https://nodejs.org/and/download. Installing Gatsby CLI. npmig Gatsby CLI. We should understand about Gatsby starters before creating a site. Starters are just boilerplates. There are hundreds of boilerplates or starters available from Gatsby's official site. We can select Gatsby starter as creating a new Gatsby site from starter. Gatsby new, name _ your site, starter repo link. When Gatsby new is completed, then run the below commands. cd, name _ your site. Gatsby develop. The project structure would be like this: //.cache /plugins /public /src /pages /static Gatsby config.js Gatsby node.js Gatsby Browser Js. At last, now we may check our site at localhost 8000. For more details visit https://www.technologiesindustry4.com.